Hi there, welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of the Batman theme song. You can find it on the UkePlayAlongs channel, and this tutorial is available both on the UkePlayAlongs channel and on the UkeStuff channel. In this video, first of all, I will show you the chords you need to play the song on GCEA ukulele. Then I'll show you the chords you need to play the song on baritone DGBE ukulele. And then finally, we'll talk about strumming. If you want to support my work here on YouTube, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, the UkePlayAlongs channel and the UkeStuff channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need to play the Batman theme song on GCEA ukulele. First of all, you'll need the G7 chord. Then you'll need the C7 chord. And you'll also need the D7 chord. In this case, we're doing the Hawaiian D7, which actually doesn't have a D7 in it. Now, the final chord in this song is a bar chord that happens at the 10th fret. You probably have a side position marker at the 10th fret, or at least at the 7th fret, although there are some ukuleles that don't have any. But at the 10th fret, I have a mark here, and then I also have a mark on the front of my ukulele. What I'm going to do is take my first finger and I'm going to cover all four strings above the metal fret. Now, I might be then touching the fret above that, the 9th fret. It doesn't matter because the sound is resonating from the 10th fret down. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my finger straight across, pull against all four strings. That's going to give me most of my sound, and then I'm going to add my thumb for some light support. And then I'm going to get this sound. And that's a bar chord at the 10th fret. That is your G minor 7th up there. You could play a G minor 7th down here, but it doesn't quite have the same feel as that high one. All right, on baritone DGBE ukulele, we're going to start with the G7 chord, then a C7. So play your C chord and add two fingers. Then a D7. And then at the very end of the song, you'll need a G minor 7 chord. First finger covers all four strings right above the 3rd fret. Pull against the fretboard, add your thumb for some light support, and then again, it's all in this pull rather than a pinch, and then play all four strings. And that's the G minor 7. And those are the chords you need to know to play Batman on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now, as for strumming, there was no ukulele in the original version of this song, so therefore, there is not one single right answer. So if you don't like the suggestion, do something that you want to do. There are three rules when it comes to strumming, though. Number one, play the right chord at the right time. Number two, keep a steady tempo or a steady beat. And number three, make sure that whatever you are playing matches the style of the music. So in this case, I think down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up works for this song in particular all the way. Then make the C7. Back to G7, now D7. C7, G7. Now that was on baritone DGBE ukulele. Let's play it on regular GCEA ukulele. We're going to start with a G7. C7. Back to G7. D7. C7. G7. And that will work the entire time. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That'll match along with the song perfectly. Thanks so much for joining for this tutorial for the Batman theme song. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.